Alrighty, so I've had there are two other videos out there for two problems. The videos are labeled 4.311 and 4.317, and they are both multiplying by decimal values. And so what I want to do is I want to try to take both of those problems and just do one other little thing with them. All right, so these are the two problems, and there are two other videos. There are two other videos that work this problem and then a video that works this problem. Okay, so all I want to do now is I want to just kind of tie this together and just show you kind of just one more little explanation that may help you. Notice now, look, we wound up multiplying this by 1,000 times this decimal value, and in the ultimate answer, we saw that we moved the decimal point to the right 3 places. See, that was the ultimate answer. Remember, that was the answer MathExcel had, and it agreed with us. And we wound up moving the decimal point originally from the original spot, which was here, 3 places to the right. And so there was the answer that MathExcel wanted. Well, notice, what would the answer be if we multiplied this same value by 100? Well, we'd move the decimal point 2 places to the right, and we'd get that number. What would the answer be if we multiplied this value times 10? Well, we would only move the decimal point 1 place to the right, and that would be the answer. Now, you check me on these and see if these aren't correct. If you want to check me, check me. And I'm just trying to emphasize the point that multiplying times a positive power of 10, like 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, moves the decimal point the number of zeros to the right. Okay, now, down here we have a little bit of a different situation. This was multiplying by 1,000th, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. And we wind up finding that the decimal point is going to go to the left, not right, left 3 places. Notice it wound up being here. So it originally started here, did a multiplication, and when we finished it off, it wound up being here, which was 3 places to the left. And so again, I mentioned to you that this can be thought of as 1 over 1,000, which can be thought of as 1 over 10 times 10 times 10, which would be 1 over 1,000. Exponentially, the way that's written is 10 to the minus 3, meaning that it's not 1,000. It's not 1,000 over 1, 10 to the third. It's, in this case, 1 over 1,000, 10 to the minus 3. So, but the point is, this moved the decimal point 3 places to the left. Okay, so what would happen if we multiplied by 100th, or 10 to the minus 2? Well, the decimal point would do what? It would go to the left 2 places. 2 places. What if we multiplied by 10th? It would go to the left 1 place. Now you check me on these and kind of practice and make sure you understand why these decimal points are moving the way they're moving. And I think I'll finish with that. How about that?